Are you tired of working a 9-to-5 job and not making enough money? Have you ever thought about starting your own niche blog and monetizing your passion or expertise? In this video, we'll show you how to turn your hobby into a profitable online business by starting a niche blog and monetizing it. So whether you're a food enthusiast, a fitness guru, or a fashion lover, you can turn your passion into a profitable venture. Let's get started. Finding your niche. Finding the right niche is crucial for the success of your blog. It is important to choose a specific topic or area of expertise that you are passionate about and that has the potential to be profitable. Researching keywords and identifying gaps in the market can help you choose a profitable niche. You can use tools like Google's Keyword Planner or SEMrush to find keywords related to your topic and see their search volume and competition level. It's also important to ensure that there is a sizable audience for your niche. You can use tools like Google Trends or social media analytics to gauge the interest and engagement level of your target audience. Remember, the key to success is to choose a niche you are truly passionate about. If you pick a niche you're not passionate about, it will be difficult to create content consistently and grow your audience. Once you've found a niche, it's important to validate your idea by creating a blog and seeing if there is enough interest to draw traffic and monetize it. Building your audience. To build an engaged audience for your blog, create valuable and consistent content that appeals to your target audience. Leverage various marketing strategies such as search engine optimization, SEO, social media marketing, and guest blogging to grow your blog's traffic. Building a community through engagement and creating an email list will also play a crucial role in growing your audience. This will not only increase traffic but also help you to reach out to them directly and promote your blog and products or services. Monetization strategies. Once you've built an engaged audience, it's time to monetize your blog. There are several ways to monetize a niche blog, such as advertising, affiliate marketing, sponsored posts, and digital products. Advertising can include banner ads, sponsored posts, and sponsored reviews. Affiliate marketing allows you to earn a commission for promoting other people's products or services. Sponsored posts, you can earn money by writing posts that promote a brand or product. Digital products can include ebooks, online courses, and printables. The key is to experiment with different monetization methods to find what works best for your blog and your audience. Conclusion. In this video, we've shown you how to start a niche blog and monetize it by finding your niche, building an engaged audience, and using various monetization strategies. Remember, the key to success is to choose a niche you are passionate about and to experiment with different monetization methods to find what works best for you. We hope you found this video helpful and that it has inspired you to start your own niche blog. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more videos like these. Thanks for watching.